Hey guys, we are back. You probably know us from the previous video where we had our original model like this, right? Self-closing water tap. This year we actually have exciting news. We have a new product, completely new for everybody who has these canisters or RotoPax. Right? So this is our new model, which is basically once installed, it looks very discreet. And you can actually drive with it in any position. It will not leak. No dust will get into your water or even location where the water is kind of handled. So it's very simple and easy. No leakage or anything. And the way it works, you just unscrew this hexagonal, put it down, and that's your wash station again. You pull it down to lock it. Anytime you think they're washing hands and dishes, and again, push it up a little bit to close it. It's a very similar concept as we had before. The only difference, again, it's all self-contained, so nothing sticks outside, so you can drive with it. It also has a vent tube inside, which is basically a self-venting, right, device. What this tube does is just gets on the corner where the vapor space is. And you can actually operate it in either.
Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Try some Vietnamese coffee? Like black or signature?
Either this position, or you can use it in this position as well. You just need to turn it. So you can actually use it like that as well. Either way, right?
Where can we find this product?
Again, all is available in this show for sure, or on our website. And there's also a coupon in red. So Overland 15 gives you 15% off until the end of the year for as much as you want or any of your friends.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you. Enjoy the show.